गौर बंजारा भाइयों और बहनों, I hope everyone is doing good. This video will explain and showcase the ongoing development of the Sevalal Maharaj Mandir. Located in the heart of Poharagarh, Maharashtra, the Sevalal Maharaj Temple is an awe-inspiring project that is said to be a monumental symbol of faith and heritage. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has generously allocated 1,200 crore for the construction of this magnificent temple, which is currently under development. The temple's design is being handled by the same renowned architect, Chandrakant Sompura, who created the Grand Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, ensuring that this structure will embody both spiritual and architectural excellence. In addition to the temple, a vast 600-acre land has been provided for its development, promising not only a place of worship but a vibrant space for cultural and religious gatherings. What's even more remarkable is the creation of a Banjara museum, dedicated to showcasing the rich cultural history and traditions of the Banjara community. The museum will stand as a testament to their heritage and pride. In this rare video, we bring you exclusive footage showing the progress of the construction of Sevalal Maharaj Temple, the museum, and the surrounding areas. It's an exciting glimpse into the future, as this project takes shape. This is not only a proud moment for Maharashtra, but for the entire country. It is a moment of immense pride for the Gaumati and Banjara brothers and sisters across India, as they witness this grand development come to life. A special thanks to Prime Minister Modi ji for his unwavering support of the Banjara community, making this historic moment possible. The Sevalal Maharaj Temple and the Banjara Museum will serve as a beacon of faith, culture, and pride for generations to come. Jai Sevalal, Jai Jai Sevalal Maharaj.